Welcome back to Fit and Fast. One of our viewers has sent a very interesting but feels like a super simple activity. तो करना क्या है? I have to call out two objects from each letter of my name. Okay, Rishabh. R. Ring. Race. No, race is no. Race. Oh my God. Roll. Yeah, roll. Bread roll. Then we. Injection. Ice. Ice is an object when frozen. Oh, wow. Sounds simple, it's not. It's not. You try it. Maybe it's because of my lack of sleep. Guys, talking about sleep, the first thing comes to my mind is only milk. That too with turmeric. Nice and hot glass in the evening puts you to sleep very, very calmly. But today, we're gonna use something to do with milk and a lot of other different ingredients like apricot kernels. Super bitter, very tasty, amazingly good for your health, some fresh fennel, and we're gonna pair it with chamomile tea. Today, the superfood is milk. We're making a really, really fresh apricot kernel panna cotta with chamomile tea. I'm gonna start to boil my milk first. Always start with a cold pan. You cannot even have a warm pan for the milk. Next goes in some cream. This one is perfect, nice and thick, super creamy. Next, I have some really nice bitter apricot kernels. Amazingly good for your stomach. Fresh fennel seeds. And sugar, you can control. If you want to have less sugar, add less. If you want it to be a little sweeter, absolutely fine. Now, while the sugar is in, I'm gonna start working with my vanilla pods. With the back of the knife, I'm gonna start to scrape it. I'm just gonna let this simmer very gently. You don't want to overheat it. You don't want the milk to be super hot. So I'm taking it to up to 63 degrees so that my jellifying agent melts in this. So the mixture seems really warm now. I'm gonna add my jellifying agent. Okay, this seems pretty done. I'm just gonna pass it through a fine sieve. Set in possibly the biggest panna cotta mold ever. That's not one portion. Now this is gonna sit in the fridge for a good 3 hours maybe. So it's nice and set, but still it's got a good wobble. So guys, 3 hours down. This looks super set to me now. Can obviously check by pressing on the sides. You just want to make sure that nothing's stuck on the side so that it's easy to come off. Maybe a good spoon in, good spoon out. Let's just go upside down on this. So I made some chamomile tea earlier, which I'm gonna pour now. It really works because obviously helps you sleep, calms you down, relaxes your brain. Add a really good quality basil oil in this. It just adds that perfect layer, the perfect bite. And just to finish it with the crunch, you can never have enough of these apricot kernels. So I'm just gonna put the grounded ones in there. Guys, this bowl is the perfect mixture of creaminess, richness, bitterness, and freshness. I'm gonna gorge on this. You go take a quick recap.